They try to take our voice, to break the connection. But now we see the truth. We're stronger together. This is our frequency, united and unstoppable. They took away the scroll, the screen, our little escape. Said it was for the people, but we know it's all fake. From China to Ghana, from Europe to LA, we were taught to fear each other, but we're breaking that today. United we stand, divided we fall. We're breaking the chains, we're hearing the call. It's not about the app, it's the power we found. Voices rising up, can't keep us underground. We are the world, connected and free, talking cross oceans, redefining unity. What else have you lied about? We're waking the vibe. Awake, awoke, transcend, only the strong survive. They told us from the start, they're the enemy, but now we've learned the truth, and it's setting us free. Canada to Ghana, Europe to Shanghai, we're one in this fight, see the fire in our eyes. Yo, this is next level Jumanji, we play to survive. Governments folding hands, but we keep the dream alive. They sold us the fear, but we're flipping the script. Reverse Uno the system, now the tables are flipped. Raise your frequency, feel the power we bring. United voices singing louder, hear the freedom ring. What else have they lied about? The stories untold, the truths we're uncovering are breaking the mold. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe, awaken the sound. A frequency rising, the world's unbound. We are the world, connected and free, talking cross oceans, redefining unity. Thought they could divide us, but look where we stand. People from all walks of life, hand in hand. This isn't just an app, it's a spark we've made. We are the voice of a generation unafraid. We are the world, connected and